Yo, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here. You know I'm always coming with the hits, okay? Today we're gonna go over this beautiful black and yellow 71 Chevelle, okay, on Forgiatos 24s. We're gonna go over all of the cool features and all the beautiful features of this beautiful car and more. So come on, let's check it out. All right, you guys, so I'm here with my good friend, my boss friend, okay, Jaden. What's up, man?
What's up?
What's up, what's up? And tell the people, because he actually has a YouTube, where can they follow you and subscribe?
You can follow me on YouTube, Classic Muscle Cars, and on Instagram, _ Classic Muscle Cars, _.
Yes, for sure, for sure. Make sure you follow this kid, because let me tell you, him and his dad actually did this car and some other ones. So tell me about like this entire experience. First off, why did you guys pick the Chevelle?
We just saw it. It was a good deal when we were gonna buy it. Picked it up and then put our own spin on it. Yeah,
for sure, for sure. And then you guys went with that yellow, black and yellow feel, more like I think Pittsburgh, right? Yeah. So that's definitely giving me the Pittsburgh feel. Why the black and yellow? Is it because of that?
No, it just looked nice, so we just went with it. It's different. Usually you see the Chevelle's black and red. Yeah, for sure, for sure. And this black and yellow is definitely different. Yellow cars are different either way. You have to do it a specific way. The way you guys did it is super clean, and you can't really do this yellow on like a new body car, to be honest with you. But this is super nice. Everything on the inside is nice, okay? On the outside, you guys have that chrome trimming with everything. I do want to move over to your rims here. You got fours, the Forgiatos, and we know about these, okay? Y'all know about these, the spinnings, okay? They spinning and chopping, all right? Tell me about these Forgiatos, because why did you guys decide to go with these? Well, we had a couple options, but these, they just stuck out to our eyes. We just knew they were the ones right away. Definitely,
and these are definitely the ones. Everybody loves these particular Forgiatos. You guys already know this, so yes, looks super good. This that LS1, y'all see, okay? Double S gang. And then the inside looks super clean. And you and your dad, how long did it take you guys to like actually get this car completed?
It was, I want to say, roughly about a year or so.
Yeah, okay, that's not bad actually. Yeah. That's not bad. So the inside, you and your dad did the inside as well?
Yeah.
Whoa, yeah. You guys did all of this?
Yeah, we just bought it and installed it.
Wow. So you guys bought the kit and installed it.
Yep.
So, and tell me about like your entire experience, because first off, well, obviously I love the wheel because you ordered the wheel. Yeah. This wheel, you guys obviously matches with the Forgiato, and then you did the digital dash. So everything on the inside you did, even down to the digital dash, down to this. Yep. Oh my God, that is super dope. Like father-son car. This is very sentimental, you guys. This is something that I definitely want you guys to see on my channel, because it's not always just about having a hit, but you know, definitely gotta have some value to it, okay? Yes. Also, I want to talk about the hood. looks super clean. Tell me what you got up under the hood.
It's just nothing special. It's just a LS1 out of a 04 Corvette.
Oh, okay, nothing special. He said nothing special, the boss man.
It's just completely stock. We just want it to be reliable. So.
Yeah, definitely. And that's what he was saying. Definitely when we did our inside ride, your dad was definitely saying that y'all don't even trailer this. Like, y'all are driving this. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. So the LS1 looks good. Definitely going to take you there. And I love that you guys here in the Bay, you guys actually customize this part too. So this is different. I love this. This is like stainless, like brush. That's dope. Woo! And then you got the lights, okay? Everything looks absolutely stunning. Everything looks good. This yellow is so clean as if it was like a black or a white. You know what I'm saying? And then you have the yellow lights. Looks good with the black grill, double S. I love everything about this. The inside, you guys actually have music as well too, right?
No, not right now. We're working on it though.
Yeah, he did say you guys are working on it. But listen, when it's done, you definitely gotta send me some footage, man. This is super dope. So, Jaden, you got something else personally for yourself coming? Because I know you guys worked on this one. Yeah?
Yeah, I just picked up a while ago an 85 El Camino.
Oh, snap! So you about to come through. Okay, listen. And I will be more than happy to come back and do a review on your car, okay? As soon as you're done, you gotta let this down for me because I'm not good with hooks, okay? This is super nice. I love the pinstripes here, you guys. Makes it look even more like a racer, more classic. Okay, Chevelle. That's something very, very beautiful about this car. Just the way the body frame of it looks really good. I like everything about this. It's just a simple fact that it's yellow and it's so clean, like it's white or black. My mind is still blown on that. Looks great, man. Hey, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here, and I got a new hot product for y'all. Clean It Right Auto Care. That's right, Clean It Right Auto Care. This is their Rocky Road non-acid wheel cleaner. So it's particularly for rims like this, colored rims, brush face rims, whatever rims it is, but this will give your rims a deep clean, and it actually smells kind of good for a wheel cleaner. So if you want to get some of this product or any other product out there that Clean It Right Auto has, make sure you visit their website, cleanmyrims.com, or just follow them on Instagram at Clean It Right Auto. See you guys soon. Peace! All right, inside this beautiful 71 with Jay, the owner. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful in here. This all black carpet, super clean. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to touch nothing in here. Like, you guys' cars are so clean that I don't want to touch anything about it. And you have a lot of modern day features with yours. Yeah, so you have your steering wheel custom, all black. You have the digital dash. And then this is where you see like,
oil pressure and the temperature, stuff like that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. And then music, you have your music inside too, right? Yeah. Oh my God. What kind of music you got here? Or how many?
Well, I have 812s in the back, but
gee,
they ain't working right now. It's fucking up.
Yeah, but that's how we have music, okay? And you bumping your music, you know what I'm saying? But yes, and then you got a sunroof. Whoa, this is nice. I just feel like a Benz. Like the Benz upholstery. Whoa. Definitely modern. How long did it take you to actually complete this head?
It's work in progress. It took 2 years to get it done.
Really? So you started from the ground up. Yeah. Oh my God, this is super nice. Do you ever race this car?
Nah. No. We drive it everywhere. We put miles on it.
Yeah.
We definitely don't trailer this shit nowhere. We drive the shit out of it. But no, I don't really do no racing like that.
I understand. Yeah. My boy Jay saying we ain't trailering nothing. This LS sliding, okay? The LS gonna slide. Well, yeah, this is definitely a hit. Because when I first seen it at the car show, I was like, my eyes was glued to it. Like, this is so clean. Even the outside got the pins on the hood. Like, this a real, like, I feel like it's a racer, but you cruising. Yeah, this is super nice. I like everything about it. Super clean. I know you don't have nobody in this car. How clean it is. You be riding? Oh my God. Listen, this how the Bay ride, y'all. Y'all are sliding. This is so nice. And it's beautiful weather. I really appreciate this ride. Yes. Alright, you guys, so I've enjoyed my time and I've enjoyed my ride with my good friend here, Jaden, okay, and his dad, Jay. And where can the people follow you one more time?
On Instagram, _classic muscle cars, and then on YouTube, classic muscle cars too. Also, shout out to my big homie, Turf Cars and Classics. Make sure you follow them too. It's a big help.
Yes, for sure, for sure. Make sure you follow them, guys. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on push notifications for me, if you will, please. And if you want to see any more pictures of this custom car, any other custom car in the nation and land, you know where to visit. That's aswips.net. That's aswips.net. Don't you ever forget it. And until next time, this is my man, Jaden, and I'm Superior Shelby, and we will check you guys' hits out next time. Peace! Superior Shelby here. Not only do I keep hit cars on my YouTube channel, but I'm also interested in making sure your credit report looks like a hit too. Payments, old credit card bills, repossessions, evictions, we can take care of that. See results within 30 days. Visit powermycredit.com or shoot me a text 954-303-4688. Now let's get back to the video. Superior!